goofy, boys. Look at that, we're sliding. Super sliding. Neutral. Oh man, we need the goggles. Look at that, we're just spinning them. Bump. Come on! She didn't want to turn. Got no goggles on right now, guys. Hopefully we don't get slapped in the face. Second gear. Oh, that was second gear. I didn't want to downshift. I know that old girl could do it. You know what I mean? She's one torquey. Steve bounced that, but we almost got slammed over the bars. She's one torquey girl. That was a pretty fun little section, that little climb. See what happens if we go up in here. Oh, definitely got to get my clear lens, man. I can't wear the goggles because, well, I can, but mostly they're getting wet because all these bushes. Oh! I love that feeling when you're tracking up a turn, you know, and you cut it, and it just hooks. It's a good feeling. It's so slippery right here. Look at that. Look at the bike just going. Look at the bike just going. This is the worst. Oh, snap, dude. Remember not to go up here. Tried to turn down. I doubt I go down that. Freak it, let's give it a try. Sliding into the rut. Rear tire is full of mud. I can feel it. Oh, 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 oh. Holy shit. Dude, it's so... Look at that. Yeah, I don't even need brakes. Slowing down because all the mud. Stay in the rain rut. Where all the rocks are at. That's fun, but that's not fun. That's sketchy as hell. Look at that, still sloppy right here. Couldn't get out of this rain run if my life depended on it. Oh Lord! Woo! Sketchness. Excuse me. Now that was like skills. That's a good way to rinse her off. Woo! Creek ripping. Good thing I was like near this area. You know what I mean? Where I could have just ran through. Now we're clean. Clean as a whistle. What's this? Oh, that's jumping over that log. That's a little professional for me. That's a little skill, high skills right there for me. Once the tires get caked up, it's over. Sun's coming out, guys. What I tell you, let's check the time. I don't know if you remember in the previous vid, Nick Dog Weather said 10 o'clock, sun might be coming out. Oh, I was off by an hour. It's 8:53. It's not out yet though, fully. Might be getting there though. That hill out there is what we just went down. Slippery. Going back down here. Flip over the tire. Yeah. already. That was nice. The old knots in the old Wisey River. Got exhaust leak, man. You hear it spitting out the front. Last time when I scrubbed, bent the exhaust. Alright guys, gonna do it for this vid. Smash that like button, subscribe, share this video. Peace.